Hi everyone, Jason here. Thanks for signing up this course. So you are lucky because I'm going to teach you to reskin a mobile app which has about 10 million downloads. So this app you can search it at Google Play Store. It is called Jungle Castle Run. So with about 100 plus levels, and as you can see here, it has about 10 million to 50 million downloads. So the size is only 5 MB and it is by Simplify Apps. So you can see the ratings is about 83,000 as of now. So we are going to change this game character, this one, to the other game character, and then this coin, all these coins to maybe diamonds or cherry. So we will just reskin all this to the other stuff. So these obstacles we change to the other stuff, and then this one also enemy we change to the other thing. So you will get the free source code on the next lecture. So I would suggest you to download this one, as it can give you a big picture of what you are going to change. So you must have some idea already in order to change or reskin this mobile app. So imagine how much money you can earn, because there may be a lot of people playing your game, and if your game has installed about 10 millions or 50 millions, so maybe you can earn a lot of money, maybe just 500 USD per day. So take advantage of this mobile app. So I'm going to teach you to reskin this mobile app. Thank you.